Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I will be reviewing an app called HelloCash. With this app you can earn money by playing games. These are the payment methods of the app. If you need help about the app, you can find lots of tips you can use on how to solve your problem. If you need support, you can contact the email below so they can help you. You can get started by clicking the Earn Your First USD below. It will explain more about the app, and then you can start earning. You can get a starter bonus here and might reach to -1 easily. You will have to accept the permissions so that the app can use your app usage. Simply click accept, then turn allow usage tracking on, then go back to the app, then you can start earning. As you can see, I don't earn much from these games, so it depends on your country, but more games and apps will come in which you can earn more. I have already started playing the highest app I got. Once I earn the max that I can, 272, I will move on to another app. Now the gold I earned from starter bonus is coming to my balance. Once I receive the payment, I will give an update of this app. The download link is in the description. Please subscribe to my channel for more apps like this.